Russian Railways is the biggest transport and logistics company in Russia and is 100% state-owned. It is one of the largest rail companies in the world with over 1 million employees and has a monopoly inside Russia. Its rail network has a total track length of 85,500 kilometers, making it one of the most extensive in the world. Mr. Vladimir Yakunin is the president of the company.
The history of Russian railways altogether exceeded 170 years. But the company as a company has the history only of 7 years. The reformation started 10 years ago, and it was not easy to transform the Ministry of Railway Communication into the modern market-oriented company. Several objective points are making this company unique. First of all, that is the distances in Russia. And we are carrying the essential proportion of the freight operation. Yearly, we are carrying like 1,300,000,000 passengers. So this is big company, big country, and that makes the company unique. Taking into account the land bridge between Asia and Europe, that is additional point to say the railways are unique.
The company's ambitious strategy of reform, modernization and investment up to 2010 and beyond is well on track.
Speaking about nowadays and future, of course we are on track. We are a transport company, a railway transport company, so we should be on track.
Together with its partners in the East and West, Russian Railways is constantly working on improving freight traffic between the Asia-Pacific region and Europe. The famous Trans-Siberian line covers 9,800 kilometers of track, and it only takes 15 days to get freight from east to west, which is twice as fast compared to sea freight. The company is currently implementing a project to lengthen the broad gauge railway from Moscow to Vienna to make the Transsib service even more efficient for its customers.
Transsib line is one of the major lines of Russian railways. And of course, we consider this line as the major factor for competing for transit operations between Asia and Russia. We have new plan, Transsib for 7 days. That means that from the eastern side of Russia to the border with EU, we can deliver the goods for 7 days. I suppose that's a very good position in competing with deep sea operators. Speaking about the advantages of our company in competing with other means of transportation, I will give you only 2 examples. The first one, we are most secure means of transportation. That is fact. And the second, taking into account all our attention concerning the environmental problems, we are less polluting means of transportation among the others. It is very essential for the company not only to be a very good engineering company, safe company oriented to the future, but it is also very essential to know what the passengers, what the clients are thinking about us.
Russian Railways has come a long way in a short period of time. Investment earnings, passenger and freight turnover are all growing. Profitability is constantly increasing, and the first steps are being taken towards privatization. Russian Railways today is an innovative company that is open for business with both Russian and international partners. Recently, the company signed a contract with Siemens for the manufacturing of 8 electric Velaro RUS high-speed trains.
If we are talking about high-speed trains operation in Russia, I suppose we're just restoring the historical truth, because in the 70s there were only 2 countries with high-speed trains, that were Japan and Soviet Union. So we are coming back. I am honored to say that the cooperation with Siemens proved to be very efficient, very business-like, pragmatic, but with good deal of friendship and desire to cooperate. We have the plan, strategic plan for 2030, and we will not stop the reforms. We will continue reforms. So at the end of this period, we will see a new Russia, and of course the new Russia needs new railways. The source of the energy, that is satisfaction that in this very challenging project, you see step by step the improvements. You see that the team can develop and can reach the targets that the society placed in front of us. And I suppose this is the biggest satisfaction, and I like this work very much.